Welcome guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a free logo for your business. First of all, this is the site is on the description below. Once you go to the site, this is how you will see. You delete the previous logos, then create your own. So you can add symbol. They have millions of symbol or free symbol you can use. In case you want to use free symbols, they have this abstract, this animal, this arrow, this art and design, this automotive, these avatars. So you can use millions. They have millions of templates here. And the good thing about this site is that you can upload an image. If you have an image you want to clone, or you like that stuff, you can click on upload image section and upload. So let's just try and create a logo for a shipping site. So we are on the transport and delivery section. So let's look for a plain type of logo, because we are trying to get a logo for a shipping site. Okay, I've seen one. Okay, yeah, but I want to turn this green to red. So I will teach you guys how to change the color. So let's design it. No, this is just a, let me put your text. Global Link Korea. So this is just an example. You can just play with it. They have millions of templates you can use. So in case, let me change the color. So let me change that green to red. To do that, click on the place you want to change. Then go to color. Let me look for red. Voila. So I want to put a shadow. I want to put a red shadow. So to do that, just duplicate the text, copy the color code. This is the color code. Put the color code, then send it backwards. Yeah, this is a red shadow and a black text. So you can see our logo is complete. So this is an example. You can go to the site and play with it. They have millions of templates. So the next step is to preview. Next step is to click on preview. So you see how the logo will look like on shirts, on an object, on the phone, or a letter. So this is how your logo will look. The next step is to send it to your email. Click on save and download and input your email. So the site will automatically send all the files to your email. The site will send both PNG and JPEG files. So let's download it. This is my email. This is the logo here. So let me click on zip. It's a zip file. So once it's downloaded, I have to extract it to unzip it. So this is the file, premiumlogo.zip. So click on it and open with extract. Let's archive it. So it will be extracted. You can see it comes with JPEG, PNG, and the rest type of photo formats. So this site will give you both transparent and JPEG. You can see this is the transparent photo, and this is the one that has background. This is the one that the background is removed. You can see they have different files here. So you can upload it to anywhere you want to upload it, your site, your cloth, any object you want to design. So kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.